This is pretty much order of operations, a problem, because it is order of operations anytime you have numerous operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. But this is just AS means it's only addition and subtraction. And anytime you evaluate a problem with only addition and subtraction, you just work out whatever's in front, then rewrite the rest and repeat. It sounds simple, but it is that simple. If it's only addition and subtraction, which, as you know, if you remember the order of operations, addition and subtraction are the lowest level. It means I don't have anything else to break into what's going on. Just work it out, work out what's in front, and rewrite and go. I think in class or in my lessons, I describe it as students in a lunch line, and I explained that if you put a bunch of students in a lunch line, young ladies don't get to go in front of young men just because they're young ladies. Young men don't get to cut in front of young ladies just because they're aggressive or whatever it might be. Whoever's in line first gets fed first, and that's how you work it out. And then everybody moves up and the next person gets food. So here, this is two people in line. So the first person in line, the subtraction gets worked out. I suggest, by the way, as you do this, you underline whenever there's multiple things, whenever it's like this, because it will help you organize your thoughts. It will also help you when you rewrite it, as you'll see here. So 9 minus 6 is 3. And I know that I changed this, which means I just write whatever I did not underline. So plus 2. And then 3 plus 2 is just 5. That's it. Let me prove to you that it will be wrong if you don't do it that way. 6 plus 2 is 8. This is how some of you do it. 9 minus 8 is 1. And so you'll say, well, both of them are right. Two things can't be right. And here's your proof, and here's your judge. 9 minus 6 plus 2 equals 5. Not 1. This is wrong. So all you have to do is remember, whenever you work this out, do whatever's in line first, or whatever is first in line, or whatever the first problem is, work it out and rewrite the rest. That's only if it's addition and subtraction. But if it's only addition and subtraction, that's all you have to do. Don't try to get fancy until you get really good at it. There are other ways to do it that we might get to later. For now, as you're learning it, just make sure you say, I do 12 minus 2 first because it's first. That is 10. And then rewrite plus 10. And then 10 plus 10 is 20. If you take your time, you will get it right. If you try to rush, you run the risk of getting it wrong. And if you're trying to improve your performance, just take your time. No one's forcing you to rush through this stuff, especially as we're trying to build your skills. So just do it right and you'll be fine. Even if you have a problem like this, I know it seems like it's a lot, but it's not. It's just patience. Do the 7 minus 3. That's 4. Guess what? Copy plus 1 minus 2 plus 6. Now, what do we do next? 4 plus 1, which is 5. Then what do we do? Copy minus 2 plus 6. Then we do 5 minus 2, which is 3. And what do we do next? Copy plus 6. And then 3 plus 6 is 9. This is the part that gets you ready for algebra. If you do not have the ability to rewrite and show patience and discipline, you're going to have a tough time getting out of this class and every other math class, because everything in those rest of those classes is you growing up, slowing down, and just taking your time and doing things the way they need to be done. So again, if you're having any issues with this, please make sure you talk to your teacher. If I am your teacher, then talk to me. And outside of that, have a good day, and I will talk to you later.